Welcome. Today we'll guide you through the process of paying with Affirm on Vrbo. To begin, visit vrbo.com and select the property you wish to book. Once you've selected the property, choose your desired dates and specify the number of travelers. Click on Book Now to begin the booking process. Provide the necessary information, including your first name, last name, and phone number. Agree to the terms and conditions, then click Agree and Continue. Review the rules and policies of the booking, then click Agree and Continue again. On the payment page, select the option to pay over time with Affirm. Click on Book with Affirm. Log in to your Affirm account or create one if you haven't already. Provide the necessary information to proceed with the payment. Once you've completed the payment process, your booking will be confirmed and you'll receive a confirmation email. And there you have it. You've successfully paid with Affirm on Vrbo. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more useful tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.